Have you ever thought about what it would be like to break free from the shackles of the 9-to-5 grind? To escape the never-ending cycle of living paycheck to paycheck? Well, get ready, because today we're diving headfirst into some of the best strategies you can use to achieve your financial independence. Alright, imagine this. You wake up on a Monday morning, but instead of dreading the alarm clock, you rise with excitement, knowing that your time is yours to control. No more boss breathing down your neck, no more tight cubicles. You have the freedom to follow your dreams, travel the world, or simply enjoy the simple pleasures of life. But here's the thing. This isn't some pipe dream reserved for the lucky few. Financial independence and early retirement are achievable goals if you have the right tricks in place. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Number 1. Avoid lifestyle creep. This is something we all face, whether we realize it or not. Lifestyle creep. Now, I know it might sound like a strange term, but trust me, understanding and avoiding lifestyle creep can make all the difference in your journey towards financial independence. You start your career with a modest income, but as time goes on, you work hard, climb that corporate ladder, and start earning more. Naturally, you might think, hey, I'm making more money now, so why not enjoy the fruits of my labor? It's an enticing thought, isn't it? You deserve to treat yourself, right? Well, that's where lifestyle creep sneaks in, quietly and cunningly. You see, as your income increases, so does your standard of living. You start indulging in a few luxuries here and there, maybe upgrading to a fancier car or moving into a bigger house. It all seems harmless at first, the little rewards for your hard work. But here's the catch. By continually changing the goalpost of what you consider necessary or comfortable, you unknowingly trap yourself in a never-ending cycle of financial dependence. Number 2. Increase your income. When you're on a mission to achieve financial independence, to break free from the chains of living paycheck to paycheck, you gotta do more. You've got big dreams, big goals, and a burning desire to retire early and live life on your terms. But here's the catch. You need money to make it happen. And that's where increasing your income comes into play. Think of your income as the fuel that powers your journey to financial freedom. The more you earn, the more you can invest, and the greater the compounding effect it has on your earning potential in the future. It's like adding rocket boosters to your spaceship, propelling you towards your goals. Number 3. Start investing and build passive income. Alright, now that you have made the courageous decision to take control of your finances, you've slashed your expenses, and now you find yourself with a little extra cash in your pocket. Well, it's time to put that money to work and watch it grow like never before. But wait, before you get into investing, it's important to arm yourself with knowledge. Whether you're a pro investor or a newbie in this game, it's crucial to understand the ins and outs of the investment world. And if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, there's no shame in seeking guidance from a financial advisor. Number 4. Pay off your debt. Personal loans, credit cards, and student loans. This stuff can quickly accumulate interest, making it even harder to break free from their clutches. But by focusing your efforts on defeating them first, you'll save yourself from drowning in a sea of interest payments. Gather up your strength, summon your determination, and strike a blow against your highest interest debt. With each payment, you're chipping away at the chains that bind you. Number 5. Build your emergency fund. This might sound silly, but trust me, behind this seemingly simple concept lies the key to unlocking financial peace of mind and creating a life filled with endless possibilities. Think of it as a secret treasure chest that you diligently fill with coins, and when the time comes, it magically transforms into your shield against life's unexpected challenges. An emergency fund is usually a stash of money that you set aside specifically for those just-in-case moments when life decides to throw a curveball your way. Whether it's a sudden job loss, an unexpected medical expense, or a car breakdown, your emergency fund is there to rescue you from the clutches of financial stress. And when you have an emergency fund, you gain an incredible sense of control over your financial destiny. You no longer have to rely on credit cards or loans to bail you out of tough situations. Getting it? Number 6. Control your expenses. Whenever you're walking through a busy city, you are surrounded by flashy advertisements tempting you with the latest gadgets, luxurious vacations, and mouth-watering dining experiences. It's a world filled with instant gratification, where spending money seems like the only way to keep up with the trends and indulge in the finer things. You see, the less money you spend, the more money you have to save for the future. It's like a magic formula that can transform your financial landscape and set you on a course towards ultimate freedom. By living a more affordable lifestyle and resisting the urge to spend every penny that comes your way, you're taking a giant leap toward financial security. Number 7. Track your finances. Let's start with understanding your net worth. Your net worth is like the treasure chest at the center of your quest. It's the sum of all your assets and the subtraction of your liabilities. Think of your assets as the jewels that you've acquired over time, your home equity, your savings, and your investments. Liabilities, on the other hand, are the obstacles that stand in your way, your outstanding debts, such as your mortgage. Tracking your finances allows you to keep a close eye on the growth of your assets and the reduction of your liabilities. It's like holding a treasure map in one hand while using a magnifying glass in the other. With each step forward, you gain a clearer picture of your financial landscape, enabling you to make informed decisions. Imagine this. You come across a fork in the road, unsure of which path to take. You consult your map, which is basically your financial advisor, and notice a marker that reads spending habits. You realize that understanding your spending is a crucial part of this quest. Tracking your finances shines a light on your spending habits, revealing where your hard-earned money is going. Number 8. Do the maths. Now, I'm not talking about complex equations or mind-boggling formulas. No, we're keeping it simple. Thanks to the internet, we have some pretty cool tools at our disposal. One such gem is the Early Retirement Calculator, like the trusty Networthify and the FireAge Calculator. These online resources take your financial details and give you a clear image of your position. You input your income, expenses, and current savings, and the calculator churns out some numbers that will leave you wide-eyed and eager to take action. It reveals the monthly amount you need to save to reach your goal of early retirement. But it doesn't stop there. Once you have that monthly savings target in sight, it's time to buckle down and make it happen. Budgeting becomes your best friend, and every dollar counts. You start scrutinizing your expenses, distinguishing between needs and wants, and finding creative ways to cut back without sacrificing happiness. Maybe you get to enjoy some luxuries too on the way. Number 9. Get the right support. Now, getting the right support isn't just about having cheerleaders on the sidelines, although they're important too. It's about building a solid support infrastructure that will help you drive your dreams into reality. Let me break it down for you. First things first, everyone's situation is different, so the type of support you need may vary depending on your circumstances. If you live in a joint household where decisions about money are made collectively, it becomes even more crucial. You need to sit down with your family and explain why achieving financial freedom is important to you. Let them know that this is your aspiration and that you'd appreciate their understanding and cooperation. Also, you should reach out to your closest friends and family. Share your plans with them and let them in on your journey. Why? Well, for 2 reasons. First, you need the support and buy-in from those who have a say in how you manage your money. If they understand the importance of your financial goals, they'll be less likely to pull you into unnecessary spending or temptations. They can help create an environment that supports your ambitions rather than hinders them. Second, by making others aware of your goals, you're holding yourself accountable. Think about it. When you voice your aspirations to those around you, you're making a commitment. Finally, number 10. Understand your motivation. As the final point in today's episode, you need to ask yourself, why am I doing this? What drives me forward? This is the most important part of getting your financial freedom. You see, achieving financial independence isn't a walk in the park. It requires determination, resilience, and a long-term commitment. There will be situations where you'll be forced to make short-term decisions that could veer you off track. But here's the thing. When your motivation is rock solid, those distractions won't stand a chance. Got it? Anyways, after coming through these 10 points, what do you think? Are you in? Are you ready to break free from the chains of living a 9-to-5 job? Then this is the time. Get out there and make your life. We'll see you guys in another episode. Until then, stay tuned.